In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable gift cards on Fresha. Whether you've decided to pause your gift card offerings or just want to adjust some settings, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Fresha dashboard. The dashboard will serve as your main control center for managing various aspects of your business, from client bookings to sales analytics. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of icons along the left-hand side of the screen. Among these icons, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings. Go ahead and click on that. Navigating through settings can sometimes be overwhelming, but don't worry. Within the settings menu, your focus should be on the sales section. Clicking on sales will open up a list of related features and services that you might use to manage your business's sales operations. Once you're in the sales section, the next step is to locate gift cards on the left-hand list. Gift cards can be a great way to boost revenue and attract new customers, but sometimes you might need to turn them off for various reasons, like a new promotion or stock limitations. Click on gift cards to access the specific settings for this feature. In the gift card section, you'll spot the Edit button centered on the page. Click on this button, which will allow you to make changes to your gift card settings. This is where you can find the option to enable or disable the gift card feature. Once you've clicked on Edit, look for the Enable or Disable button located next to the gift card settings. Just by clicking this button, you can turn the gift card feature off. When it's toggled to the off position, you should see a confirmation that gift cards are now disabled. It's as simple as that. After making this change, the final step is to ensure everything is saved properly. Look towards the top of the page and find the Save button. Once clicked, all your changes will be stored, confirming that gift cards are turned off for your Fresha account. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled gift cards on Fresha. If you want to enable them again in the future, just follow these same steps and click the button to turn them back on. By managing your gift card settings, you can effectively tailor your sales strategy to meet your business's needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, remember to check our other resources or Fresha support for more.